Hello viewers, welcome to NIOS Studio. In previous chapter, we discussed about modern library services. In this chapter, we will discuss about information retrieval system. Information is communicated or received knowledge concerning particular fact or circumstances. As we know, retrieval refers to searching through stored information to find information relevant to the task at hand. In view of this, information retrieval deals with the representation, storage, organization and access to information items. Here, type of information items includes documents, web pages, online catalogs, structures, records, multimedia objects, etc. Chief goal of the information retrieval are indexing text and searching for useful documents in a collection. Libraries were among the first institutions to adopt information retrieval systems for retrieving information. In this chapter, we will discuss to the importance, definitions and objective of information retrieval. After studying this chapter, we will know about the concept of subject approach to information, process of information retrieval and indexing language. Now we will discuss about the objective of this chapter. After studying this lesson, we will be able to know about define information retrieval, understand the importance and need for information retrieval system, explaining about the concept of subject approach to information, illustration to the process of information retrieval and differentiate between natural, free and controlled indexing language. Now we will discuss about the importance of information retrieval. The term information retrieval was coined by Kelvin Moore in 1950. It gained popularity in the research community from 1961 onward when computers were introduced for information handling. The term information retrieval was then used to mean a retrieval of bibliographic information from stored document databases. But those information retrieval systems were document retrieval systems. Those were designed to retrieve information about the existence of a bibliographical document relevant to a user's query. In other words, early IR system, information retrieval system were designed to retrieve an entire documents like a book or an article etc. In response to a search request. So, the information retrieval system, although this is what today's IR information retrieval system do over the years, many advanced technologies have been deployed and applied to design the information retrieval systems. Over the year, the connotation of information retrieval has changed and it has been variously termed by information professionals and researchers. Some of these includes information storage and retrieval, information organization and retrieval, information processing and retrieval, text retrieval, information representation and retrieval and information access. So, information retrieval is a very important term in the context of searching of information and dissemination of the perfect information what a researcher wants. So, let us know now understand the meaning though which information retrieval is carried out by libraries and some of the systems for searching information from document in its collection. No matter how large the collection, the library is of little value if it is unable to retrieve the right documents as and when required by a users. To do this, it must maintain an information retrieval system. When documents to request are located, a match is achieved between the information requested for and the information retrieved. So, basically matching is very important. The information, the request query what we receive in the library, it should be matched with the available document with the help of a accurate and efficient information retrieval system. In other words, the information supplied from the documents matches to an acceptable degree with the information demanded by the user. Achieving a success match is the central objective of the information retrieval. The principal function of any library is to make available to the users the information they need. In order to fulfill this function, the information which is stored in the library must be retrieved from the library database. Information retrieval basically it's the activity of obtaining information resources relevant to an information need from a collection of information resources. Information resources is the process of selecting information from the store. The process is becoming increasingly dependent on the computers and telecommunications technology in nowadays. The design of information retrieval systems has presently become an important area of applied information technology. Now, we will discuss about information retrieval system aspects. IR is concerned with two basic aspects. One is how to store information and second is how to interpret its structure. One many simply denotes such a system as one that stores and retrieves information. Information retrieval system is comprised of a set of interacting components, each of which is designed to serve specifically functions for a specific purpose. All these components are interrelated to achieve a goal. The concept of information retrieval thus presuppose that there are some items of information which have been organized in a suitable order for easy retrieval. Now, we will discuss about component of IR system. IR system has four components: database, language, interface and search mechanism. Modern information retrieval systems can either retrieve bibliographical items or the extract text that matches a user's search criteria from a stored database of documents. IRS originally meant text retrieval system as they were dealing with the textual data documents, but modern information retrieval systems deal not only with textual information, but also with multimedia information comprising text, audio, image and video. Thus, modern information retrieval systems deal with storage, organizing and access to text as well as multimedia information resources. Now, we will discuss about the operations of IR systems. IR system is a set of rules and procedures for performing some or all of the following operations. The operations includes indexing, search formulation, searching, indexing languages, construction. So, information retrieval is collectively defined as a science of search or a process, methods and procedures used to select recorded and indexed information from files of data. So, the objective and functions of the information retrieval system may be measured as the main objective of an IRS information retrieval system is to retrieve the required information whenever needed. It is either the actual information or through the documents containing the information surrogates that fully or partially match the user's query. Thus, the search output may contain bibliographical details of the documents that matches the query or the actual text, image, video, etc. that contains the required information. The database in case of an information retrieval system may contain abstracts or full text of document like newspaper articles, handbooks, dictionaries, encyclopedias, legal documents, statistics, etc. as well as audio, image and video information. Now, we will discuss major functions of an information retrieval system. The major functions of an information retrieval system includes to identify the source of information relevant to the area of interest of the target users community, to analyze it is responsible to analyze the content of the sources, to represent the content of the analyzed sources for matching with the user's query, and to match the search statements with the stored database. It is also related to retrieve the information that is relevant, and finally, to make necessary adjustment in the system based on feedback from the users. Now, we will discuss about the importance of information retrieval system. The information retrieval system includes integration of different formats based on information systems and maintenance of catalogs and bibliographies. Now, we will discuss about importance of information retrieval in detail. Library contains information in various physical forms. While for many users the books is still a major vehicle for the communication of information, for others the periodicals or the technical reports have taken its place, and for yet another's film or gramophone records are significant for some users. It is very clear that the same work can appear in various physical forms. The intellectual contents will be the same in each cases, but obviously it is not practical to try to arrange the different physical forms together. We cannot therefore rely on the physical arrangement of the items in a library to gather different versions of the same work. We have to rely on a substitute, a set of the content of the library. These are in the form of library catalog and bibliography. The library's catalog, however, is only one of the tools which serves as the corporate memories. A library contains a large number of periodicals, will not attempt to list every issues it receives. Instead, we rely on the indexes, abstracts and similar bibliographical tools which presents the same kind of opportunity and the same problems as the library's catalog. This enables us to obtain access to any particular item through a number of approaches. Learners, in this part of this lesson, we discussed about the concept of information retrieval system, understanding about the importance and need of information retrieval system, various components of information retrieval system, indexing, search formulations, search and indexing languages constructions, functions of information retrieval systems, and importance of information retrieval systems. So, good luck to all of you.